Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use array formula with Vlookup in Google Sheets. This powerful combination allows you to pull data from multiple rows at once, saving you time and effort instead of manually entering formulas cell by cell. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your files and documents are stored. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to use the array formula with Vlookup. This opens up your Google Sheet and gets you ready to work with your data. Make sure you're working in the correct file before proceeding to the next steps. Now, let's say you have sample data in your spreadsheet. For instance, you might have a list of names in one column, and you want to use array formula with Vlookup to automatically retrieve the corresponding email addresses for each name from another data range. This is where the magic of combining these two functions really comes into play. Click on the cell where you want your results to appear. This is important because the array formula will populate multiple cells starting from this position. In that cell, begin typing equals array formula open parenthesis. This tells Google Sheets that you're about to create a formula that will apply to an entire range of cells rather than just one. Next, type Vlookup open parenthesis. Now you're building the Vlookup function inside the array formula. Select the range of cells containing the name data that you want to look up. After selecting this range, add a comma. This separates the lookup range from the table array in your Vlookup formula. Now select the entire range of data where you want to retrieve information from. This should include both the names and the corresponding emails or whatever data you're trying to match. Add another comma after selecting this range. Type the number 2. This number indicates which column in your selected data range contains the information you want to return. In this case, 2 means you're pulling data from the second column of your table array. Add another comma to continue building your formula. Type false and then close the formula with 2 closing parentheses. The false parameter ensures that Vlookup looks for an exact match rather than an approximate one. The 2 closing parentheses are crucial. One closes the Vlookup function and the other closes the array formula function. Press enter and watch as the array formula automatically populates all the corresponding email addresses for each name in your list. Instead of dragging the formula down manually or copying it to multiple cells, the array formula does all the work in one go. And that's it. You've successfully used array formula with Vlookup in Google Sheets to efficiently retrieve data across multiple rows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.